if you want to freeze the rows or columns on a Google Sheet, this is how you do it. We've got this example sheet here, which I'm just going to use. If I want to freeze the top row, I just click up here on View, then I've got the option to freeze, and I can choose by default no rows, 1 row or 2 rows, or up to the current row. So that will do whatever row I'm currently clicked in. As we can see here, I've highlighted that cell over here, which is in row 9. So if I was to select that, it would freeze all of those rows, and then I can scroll the rest of them below. If I just want it to be the top row, for example, I can do freeze again and up to current row, and I can do exactly the same as well with columns. So if I wanted to make the years always visible, then I can just say I want to freeze 1 column, and it's going to be year, and there we go. We can see that that one then doesn't move. So that's how you freeze your rows.